everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to wish everybody a very Merry Christmas. I hope you're having a fabulous Christmas day. Today I'm just going to do a quick and easy recap of some of the highlights from this past year on my Monday channel for your enjoyment. So if you want to see it, stick around. I'll show you how. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. The snow is laying 2 feet deep. Now wish upon a falling star, so all your secret dreams can come true.